Easy strawberry smoothie recipe with yogurt. Try this tasty breakfast smoothie to start your day, pairing sweet fruit with nutritious spinach and avocado for a dose of calcium, vitamin C, folate and fiber. Nutrition information: kcal 226. Fat 13 grams, saturates 4 grams, carbs 16 grams, sugars 15 grams, fiber 6 grams, protein 8 grams, salt 0.2 grams. The ingredients: 160 grams ripe strawberries, hulled. 160 grams baby spinach. 1 small avocado, halved and the flesh scooped out. 150 milliliters pot bio yogurt. 2 small oranges, juiced, plus half a teaspoon finely grated zest. Show time: put all the ingredients in a blender and whiz until completely smooth. If it's a little thick, add a drop of chilled water then blitz again. Pour into glasses and drink straight away. Happy blending! If you like, you can subscribe to my channel to keep up with the latest news. Also, in the video description you will find interesting links that will help you make delicious smoothies to lose weight, increase energy or simply to be healthy. Happy day!